Hello and welcome to the Chichester College Group's T-Level in Construction. This is a quick introduction to make sure you understand what studying T-Levels is like, as well as making sure the T-Levels are right for you. There is not a day in the construction sector when you will finish learning, and it is important that you are prepared for this. This course is not about giving you information that you then repeat back to us in assignments. This course is about real learning. Studying at these T-levels will develop your skills in research and application of knowledge, as well as hand-on skills needed for your chosen pathway. You will learn how to evaluate and analyse different forms of information, as well as applying practical skills and knowledge. Even during your lectures, you will be expected to perform your own research tasks. You will work individually or as part of a team. This will help you develop the real skills that employers want, as well as growing your industry-specific knowledge. There are several different pathways offered by Chichester College Group. Design, surveying and planning. This is a course to do if you want to work in design, surveying or a management role in the construction sector. Typical roles that you will progress into are project management, architecture or surveying. We also have T-levels in the more traditional trades. These are known as the skilled trades. For the on-site pathway, we have carpentry and joinery, as well as brickwork. And then looking at building service engineering, we have electrical installation and plumbing and heating. During your course, you will not only learn from your lecturer, but you'll also learn from each other. One of the really exciting things about studying the T-level is your industry placement. You will take up the opportunity to work with an employer for a significant amount of time over the 2-year course. Students on these courses will be working towards an industry specialism. This is a fantastic opportunity to learn about the industry, as well as developing and understanding the core theories. Topics will vary on the specific pathway that you've applied for. However, the basics are all the same. You will learn and put into practice knowledge and practical skills needed for your chosen area of expertise. You will discover about modern methods of construction and the importance of sustainability, learning the specific details of how to select foundations to help a building stand up, whilst also considering how not only to make the building weathertight, but how primary services are distributed and used through a modern building. The modern construction industry has moved away from paper drawings, and although these are still used on site, documents are managed electronically. You will learn how digital technology is being used in the industry. Each of the pathways has its own way of assessing your work. The example given on the slide is for the design, surveying and planning pathway. Whichever pathway you study, you will be assessed to industry standards to ensure that you are employable in the workplace. In the example shown, you can see there is a mixture of theory and practical based assessments. This is the same across all pathways. This was a very quick introduction to T-levels. So what next? The course is the equivalent of 3 A-levels, and for those considering university, it has UCAS points attached to it. To apply for the course, you will need a minimum of 5 GCSEs at grade 4 to 9 to include maths, English language and a science. You will have an interview to determine why you want to study the T-level and to help you make the right decision for you. If you do not meet this criteria yet, talk to us and we will try to find you a course that would enable you to continue studying maths and English as well as developing trade skills. You will be sent some work to complete over the summer, and this will be linked to understanding and investigating potential industry placements. If the T-levels are still of interest to you, make sure you apply early so an interview can be arranged. Finally, we look forward to inspiring you in a career in construction and welcoming you in September.